When you build a 53 Chevy pickup from the ground up, there are really a lot of details to think of. And of course, the windows, door windows, they should have power windows, and you can buy them really very good, but it costs a lot of money. So whatever I can save, and where I'm saving is from the power unit, the motor in the back, from the back door of my Thao. Lucky I have the Thao, and this is what the unit looks like. Very small, compact, easy to fasten inside the 53's door. Have the motor here, and then windows fits right on the top there. To me, it looks like it will be a perfect fit. So you have a donor car. Think and look and save stuff, and you'll save a lot of money too.